Our first activity takes me and Reba to Tunnel Creek Road, located just off of Highway 341 near Incline Village. We're joined by race director and fellow avid runner Eric Lerude.
Hey, Eric.
Hi, Chris.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So I thought I'd take Reba for a run today, and when I thought about going for a run, I couldn't think of anybody better to run with than yourself. You know, you have been instrumental in bringing recognition to running as a sport and racing and really making Reno and the Tahoe area a destination for runners.
It's been a real passion of mine. I've been having a lot of fun with it for 15 years, so I'm happy to be here today.
Well, we're not going to do any racing today, but I thought we would get Reba out and stretch our legs and do a little training and just enjoy this beautiful location for a run.
Sounds great.
I know that there's something special at the end, so I thought we'd...
Let's do it.
That sounds good.
All right.
Come on, Reba, let's go. Let's go.
It's always great to get outside and get in a run, and there's nowhere better for scenic inspiration than Lake Tahoe. As we run, we follow the gentle uphill grade past the Jeffrey and the Sugar Pines. The air smells great, and it's energizing to look out over that water. Meanwhile, Reba has her own perspective of the trail. She might not care as much about the view, but she's having a great time anyway, and of course, enjoying all of those smells from the forest.
What a view.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
You know, it is so much fun to come out and come out running with, whether it's a friend or my dog. It's such a different experience than just spending time with somebody. It's when you do something active with them.
Yes, it is. It's a great way to do something meaningful with somebody, and especially when you come out to a place like this. I mean, there's so many great locations in the Reno Tahoe area, and there's trails all around the lake. There's trails all around Reno. Just so many places to get out and enjoy nature, and that's one of the things I really like about running is enjoying the outdoors.
You know, and that's true too, because the terrain's going to change, so you have to be adjustable. You have to be willing to maybe stop and look at the scenery rather than just staring at your feet and at your foot placement all the time.
Yeah, you have to be alert, because you never know when there's going to be a rock you have to jump over or a ravine or something. So I think it makes you a better runner when you're running on trails. You're more agile, and then you're ready for anything. Any of these environments it's like Disneyland for a dog, you know, so they can't go wrong.
And actually, within the races that you've actually organized races that include dogs, haven't you?
Yes, we have started a race that is dog friendly.
Should we see what we're up to today?
Let's see what we can do.
Okay. Come on, Reba, let's go.
You can get more information about all of the races that Eric puts on at pbsreno.org.
So, you know, when you're running and you hit those uphills,
I take shorter strides. Shorter strides, chop it up.
I just keep telling myself it can't last forever.
Yeah.
This trail is open to hikers, mountain bikers, and runners. After the turn, it's much more of an uphill climb than before. This is the time when conversation ends and concentration begins. Luckily, it isn't far before we approach our destination.
Just absolutely a gorgeous place to run to, huh?
Yep, it sure is. And there's Monkey Rock.
Monkey Rock. Well, I mean, views all the way around, but I figured I had to bring my monkey dog to Monkey Rock, because that's what I call her, my monkey dog.
Yep. And this is just a typical Lake Tahoe spot. You get up on a knob with these rocks, and with a great 360-degree view of Lake Tahoe. This is why I trail run, to discover a place like this. So thank you. What a great spot to be today.
Well, and thank you for coming with us. You know, it's as we were saying, it's such community getting to run with somebody and get to share an experience like this. And it's a great reason to get out with your dog and get out with members of your family and enjoy the day.
Your friends, and absolutely.
So thank you.
My pleasure.